you bring extra energy for our boys. So it's important that you come tomorrow and help the team to make a good game and a good result. Selamat siang. So first we must forget the position of this team on the table. It's important to look like this, because if we're gonna just think on the position of the table, after maybe our team go to relax tomorrow, and I not expect a easy match, because analyzing this team, they always score first than opponent team last matches. Also they score against Dewa, but after the referee make offside and was not a considered goal. But if we go analyze the last 5-6 matches, this team, they have good offensive transition. They score very easy. They don't need to have many chances. So it's going to be, in my opinion, a tough match, because in the other side there is a team and the players that going to play a final. And in our side, if we go relax to the game, after maybe we have bad news, and I don't want this. Our last match for the Liga Sato here, we lose against Persevalla. I think we make a good game, but we get chances, but we not score the goals on the chances, and opponent team score the goals. I think was this the difference. So tomorrow it's very important that our boys can be focused, and also I hope that our supporters that make a fantastic support last match for other competition and also on the match of Persevalla, I hope that you come back here and support our boys, because they need the support, and it's totally different when they feel the support from outside, from the supporters. You bring extra energy for our boys. So it's important that you come tomorrow and help the team to make a good game and a good result.
For sure, as already the coach said, we expect tomorrow a tough game against a good opponent, despite the fact that they are in the danger zone on the table. But we play at home, and we play in front of our fans, and we will give everything to keep the 3 points at home tomorrow.
Coach, ini tim yang akan maju lawan Presscon ini tim yang masuk zona degradasi. Ini kan apalagi baru ini dia menang 2 kekalahan. Ini kan apakah presiden akan mewaspadai kebangkitannya mungkin di stadion di hari nanti?
I think it's important to us to focus on the present. So the history not going to help us in nothing. What we can know is we play away against them, and we have many difficulties to get 1 point away. On this moment, they bring new players, and in my opinion, is one of the best teams playing offensive transition of the league. And they don't need, I go to repeat what I said before, they don't need to have many opportunities to score a goal. It's one team that have 2-3 opportunities per game and score the goals. So tomorrow we need to be focused since the first minute until the end, and that we go to play against the best team of the league. Because if we not make this behavior, we're going to have bad news. Because in the other side, there is a team that's going to fight, that's going to be aggressive, intense in all the moments of the match. And also, I must say this here. Now that Pare have a good field, we need to improve our training ground on Calegoa, that is Tirabagos. And many players get injured there. Sometimes we cannot make some exercises because the ball not play on the floor, and we cannot improve our first touch. So I get this opportunity here now on the press conference. Please, who's take care of Calegoa, help PSM Makassar to get a better field, because if not, it's very difficult to us to improve on the first touch.
Berlari kepada Nermin, soal bagaimana pandangannya soal atmosfer stadion BJ Habibie setelah di awal musim bermain di Euro.
We are happy, everybody is happy that we can play, that we are back at our home, that we can play in Pare. The atmosphere here, until now we played 2 matches, and in the both matches the atmosphere was amazing. It doesn't matter if we won, it doesn't matter the result, the fans supported us, and everybody hope that this will continue, and yeah, that's it.